y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today I'm making a simple shrimp stir fry. The first thing I'm going to start doing is I'm going to steam my vegetables halfway cooked. Next I'm going to take some of this amazing stir fry mix and add it to a bowl. Season it up a little bit with some garlic powder, and then I'm going to whisk in some ginger soy chicken broth, but you can also use regular chicken broth. Once we whisk that in all together, we're going to go ahead and move on and add some sesame oil. I love sesame oil. And also add some soy sauce. Whisk that in really well. In a wok, go ahead and add some olive oil. We're going to sear some shrimp. Now I usually sear my shrimp until they're all the way white, fully cooked, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. But we're only going to sear one side until it gets that pretty brown golden color, and then we're going to add in our halfway steamed vegetables. That way they can cook together for the remaining time that they need to cook with our stir fry sauce. So after about 2 minutes, go ahead and flip your shrimp and add in your stir fry mix. You can use any type of vegetable. Now we're going to add our sauce, and this will thicken up as it comes to a boil, and then you want to put it on a simmer. Now for me, I added some white rice with it and it was amazing, but for keto, I didn't have any rice. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.